Hello and welcome to another video in our video series, 3 Minutes of California Family Law, brought to you by Family Law San Diego. I'm Bud Kluick, founding and managing partner of Family Law San Diego. The topic of today's video is why prenuptial agreements, or shortened to prenups, are always a good idea 100% of the time. I was talking to a potential client recently, and she observed, well, if you're telling me that everything I'm bringing into our marriage and everything my fiance is bringing into our marriage is our own separate property, why do we need a prenup? And the answer is, you're right, all of that is your sole property. But you want to memorialize that and have that be written up in a formal way and reviewed and signed by both of you while you're still alive and in love with each other, or at least you like each other a lot, and you want to have that written down while that's still the situation. Because I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings if they're newlywed or about to get married, but your marriage will end. It will end in one of two ways. They both start with the letter D in the English language. One of them is divorce, and the other one, you figured it out, is death. And either way, your marriage will wind up either being a family law case if you got divorced, or a probate court case if one of you passed away. Either way, when you wind up wanting to know whether these assets and debts were your own separate property or were community property acquired during the marriage, either way, when you want to know and need to know, and the judge needs to know, and your attorney needs to know that information, it is important, it is imperative that you get this information down on paper while you are both alive and like each other and love each other. If you are in court 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 30 years from now, it is very likely that you will not remember in detail all of the assets and debts that you brought into the marriage, and neither will your spouse. In addition, if you're going through divorce, or even if one of you has passed away, it's very likely there will be disputes as to what it is you brought into the marriage and how those assets and debts wound up in your present marital estate that is being divided either at point of divorce or point of death. And there are often a great deal of disputes there, and disputes when you're dealing with courts cost money. If you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the dot below on the screen. You can contact us at Family Law San Diego by telephone at 619-448-6500, or stated a slightly different way, area 619-448-6500. Or visit us on the web at www.familylawsandiego.com. That's www.familylawsandiego.com. One word, no dots, no dashes, no breaks. Thank you very much.